In addition to this wonderful campaign that we are witnessing in this country called the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which is a lot more than toilets, by the way. It is about toilets, it is about urinals, it is about cultivating a sense of the aesthetic, it is about ensuring beauty of the natural surroundings and enhancing the beauty of the natural surroundings. So Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is about all of that. And we must understand that toilets is only one small component. Building toilets, constructing toilets, getting people to use toilets should only be one of the aspects of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Open urination is as much as an unaesthetic sort of habit that we need to overcome. Disposing solid materials which we consider are not usable anymore. We can call it solid waste, but it is actually a resource of another kind. So solid materials which are not currently usable could also be converted into something which is revenue, into something usable. So there is a reuse element in sanitation that we need to focus on. So Swachh Bharat is about reusing the solid resources which we currently consider unusable. So whether it is fecal matter, contains nitrate, phosphate, potassium, organic waste from the kitchen, from the hotel industry, from the hospitals, from canteens, can all be put to some reuse through a program of safe conversion into usable materials. So there are lots of little initiatives that are happening across the country, in the cities of India, in the small towns of India. Door-to-door collection of paper and plastic and glass and metal is happening. We already have an informal sector, and we need to give that informal sector a shot in the arm to look at sanitation from a systems perspective, toilets being only one aspect. So I think that we would be wrong in confusing that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is only about toilets. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is about understanding all the material flows, fecal matter, urine, is flowing in a restroom, and what are we going to do with those flows? So if they're going to be treated and converted into nitrate, phosphate, potassium, into something usable for the farmer, then that is following a philosophy called circular economy or closing the loop. So we need to look at that. We also need to look at other materials, as I said, inorganic materials. We need to look at organic materials that are coming out of the kitchens, and all these have economic value, and we should be looking at business models that are trying to use these resources and generate wealth. So people working on these resources, converting them into byproducts and useful products is actually something that the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan also encourages. And we must look at the startup route. So we have another wonderful program going on in the country called Startup India, and there is very good reason that Swachh Bharat and Startup India should actually talk to each other. Swachh Bharat in a supply driven manner, that there will be subsidy that will be provided, and people goaded to build toilets is only half the story. The rest of the story has to be innovative young people delivering services, products, systems, technologies in the sanitation space, developing new models of encouraging new behavior, and providing wonderful aesthetics all over the country. There are many startups which are providing apps for booking a cab. You can book a hotel room easily. So I think that we need lots of innovative young people to incentivize use of toilets. So how to get more people to use sanitation facilities in an aesthetic manner, how to maintain those facilities beautifully, how to treat the waste so that our water bodies are clean. All these are elements that people who are in the startup thinking mode need to think about. I always say that there's a lot of resource in the sewer lines. There is nitrate, there is phosphate, there is potassium there, and all that can be harvested. And if economic value could be created out of what is flowing in the sewer lines, then we are creating two revolutions. Swachh Bharat is also winning, and Startup India in sanitation mode is also winning.